Ah, what a beautiful day. A little windy, but what a beautiful day. Nice day. Maybe, I don't know, picnic in the park tonight. Take a pizza pie down to the park and enjoy a lovely dinner. The daylight, of course, is an hour longer, so perfect evening for that sort of thing. 9 degrees our temperature. Some cloud, wind from the south-southwest, 37 kilometers an hour. Like I said, it's breezy, but it's what you take when you get such warm air coming in from the Pacific, and I'll explain all that in a second. 10 degrees in Drumheller, 9 at Brooks, Medicine Hat, 5 at Milk River, 7 in Calgary, 0 in Banff, 2 at Cranbrook, 3 degrees is the temperature in Golden. See this thing here? It's kind of hard to see because it hits the borderline between BC and the Pacific Ocean, but there's a storm system out there, and it's swirling, and it's strong, a very powerful storm. It has spawned water spouts, which are tornadoes over water, and that happened on the northern east coast of Vancouver Island, right about where my finger is. All right, those things have dissipated, they're gone, it's done, but nonetheless it is a very powerful storm out there. It looks rather benign on the satellite map, but what it's doing is it's taking all the warm Pacific air, bringing it all the way across British Columbia and here into southern Alberta, and as that mild Pacific air descends the Rockies, it dries right out, so we don't even get a drop of rain out of this. We do get a bit of wind, and we'll get a bit more wind tomorrow even than today, but it will remain dry here and temperatures will be well above average. We are seeing some snow flurries back in the mountains though, in the Banff area west of Canmore, between Canmore and Banff some snow, and then along the Continental Divide straight south of Banff we're seeing some snow as well, and it's all from that Pacific system, which is pushing really very little moisture. The forecast models want to give a whole lot of rain and snow to British Columbia, some snow back into the Shuswap. However, it's not all that moist. There's not as much going on as the models want to put out. But what the models do include is some rain for southern Alberta tomorrow afternoon, just south of Lethbridge, between Lethbridge and the U.S. border, and some rain in central Alberta as well, between Red Deer and Edmonton, and then west into the foothills from there. Again, this is kind of iffy. If we get the strong westerly winds, all this moisture will dry out and nothing will come of it, but we'll keep an eye on it nonetheless. Even some rain is forecast by this model for Calgary tomorrow evening, and that too is iffy at best. 12 degrees in Montreal right now, 15 in Windsor, 8 in Toronto, 9 in Ottawa. Halifax is 8 degrees along with Winnipeg and Regina. Pair of 6s for Saskatoon and Edmonton. 6 degrees as well in Vancouver. Prince George is 5. Minus 10 at Whitehorse. Minus 10 the temperature at Yellowknife. Let's look at some forecasts here. First of all, for the East Kootenay, very little temperature change, down to 5, up to 6. Flurries at high elevations, showers at lower elevations overnight tonight and tomorrow. For the Crow's Nest Pass, drier weather, maybe a few showers, but otherwise lots of sun tomorrow, up to 7 degrees after an overnight low of 2. The westerly wind will be quite strong in the Medicine Hat region with gusts of up to 70 kilometers per hour, and with that, temperatures will soar to 17 degrees tomorrow afternoon. In Lethbridge, 13 degrees, again with a strong wind out of the southwest at 50 gusting to 70 kilometers per hour. It is both a warming and a drying wind. 5-day forecast, 13 coming up tomorrow, 5 on Wednesday. A cold front will come through and bring our temperature down for Wednesday. Doesn't last long. We're back into the double digits Thursday through Saturday. Not quite to record high temperatures, but close. 18 tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday and Saturday is when we begin to see record highs reaching the 20s, a sure sign of spring.